The built environment, nature, and why they don't seem to coexist has fascinated me since I was a small child. Throughout my studies, it came to my attention that humans don't understand the natural environment as much as they should. My name is Stephanie, and my educational background is in architectural, ecological, and sustainable building design, as well as regenerative agriculture, also known as permaculture. Our planet is the sole provider of all life. People in urban and rural environments are suffering from extreme poverty. I believe nature is the remedy for social injustice, climate change, and economic despair. Why is it imperative that we learn to coexist with nature? Locally sourced jobs and food are vital to the sustainability of the planet, but insufficient in low-income and rural areas. Through the use of permaculture design, we can create local jobs that require minimal training and no prior experience. According to Bill Mollison, the founder of the Permaculture Institute, producing food using permaculture requires no tilling of the land with expensive machinery. It uses a lot less water, and it reduces runoff, preventing soil erosion. One of the most influential thinkers, Lester Brown, has expressed concern about agricultural and urban runoff, reaping havoc on our streams, rivers, and oceans for more than 2 decades now. Runoff affects more than aquatic species. All wildlife depends on water. It devastates the lives of countless humans that rely on fishing and hunting to feed their families. Those who enjoy water recreation are impacted as well, because no one wants to swim or kayak in a river or lake plagued with smelly algae blooms. It's not just how we farm that's destroying our natural world. It's also how we build and what we use to build. Homes and buildings can be redesigned to capture rainwater for use in irrigation, laundry, and showering, and water from sinks and laundry can be replumbed for use in toilets or irrigation. Toilet water can continue to be filtered for municipal use. Simple changes would reverse the depletion of our aquifers, greatly reducing carbon by reducing draw from power plants. Minimize toxic waste streams from urban environments, and generate surplus in our local government budgets by cutting the expense of irrigating alone. Buildings can also be designed to take advantage of the sun. I'm not talking about solar panels. I'm talking about passive solar design. The way a building is orientated has been proven to reduce heating and cooling expenses by up to 50%. Furthermore, alternative building materials like hempcrete can eliminate the energy demand of heating and cooling buildings, stabilizing the grid as we continue to grow as a population. Steve Allen, the founder of the International Hemp Building Association, teaches about the seemingly endless benefits hempcrete, a modern spin on adobe, using hemp, water, and lime. Fire, mold, mildew, hurricane-strength winds, and earthquake movement are all things homeowners worry about, but hempcrete can lay these fears to rest. Hempcrete, unlike concrete, is carbon negative. Hemp is a regenerative plant that removes toxins from soil, replenishes soil, requires little water, and can be grown almost anywhere. Hempcrete can be applied to existing structures or new builds. And if industrial hemp were legal in the United States, it would be the cheapest and most sustainable building material available to man. Construction is a widely possessed trade throughout the country, and by ensuring existing buildings that are properly orientated, last, and using permaculture to implement community-based agriculture practices, we increase the workforce. We get to know our neighbors. We create socioeconomic justice and help save the planet. We have the knowledge and technologies, but we need voters. We need individuals to stand up in town hall meetings and tell representatives what sort of development they want and what kind of development they won't approve. I leave you with my favorite quote from Lester Brown. We have not inherited the earth from our fathers. We are borrowing it from our children. Thank you.